So here you can appreciate the size and the detail of this particular model. Now, I found the plans to, the drawing plans for this locomotive in a railway modeler magazine from December 2008. I brought that back from England and I didn't realise this drawing was in there. If I had done, I would have started making this locomotive first, because I think earlier on I mentioned I tried to make a different locomotive which was a lot more complex. This still took quite a bit of work, but it was a lot easier to make. Now, if you're wondering, this is actually radio wireless controlled, and I can control it from a browser. Okay, and so actually it has got a little motor in it, and it's got a little microprocessor controller in it, which can actually control it going forward, backwards, and the speed. Now, another thing it's got, if I turn this round, I don't know if you can see that, you can actually see it's got a glowing fire in it. Now, at the moment, that's nothing, it's simply static. I've yet to program it so that it actually flickers on and off, but it's not difficult to do. So all I've got at the moment is a yellow and red LED in there, and that gives the impression of like a coal fire in there, which is what I wanted basically. You'll actually see that the cab has been very kind of carefully detailed. In fact, let me just have a look at this a second, I'll show you what I mean. So we've got the water glasses and quite a lot of cab detail in there. There is some more things to add to it, but it's going well, and the finish on this is actually surprisingly good. I'm going to talk more about this locomotive later. Just about all of this has been done on a filament printer. In fact, the wheels are plastic, and they were done on a 0.4 nozzle, if anybody knows what that means in terms of, you know, people that do 3D printing know what that means. And then the main body was printed using a 0.2 nozzle, but it wasn't all done in one go. I mean, this is one thing I did definitely find, that if you try and make things all in one go, they don't tend to work out very well. So that's the locomotive there.